InfiRay thermal imaging camera. For orders, please check video description. This is the video you must watch. At the same time, I discuss about this product in details. InfiRay thermal imaging camera for phone T2S plus T2L PCB floor heat sink detection, adjustable lens infrared thermal imager. 50% off. Actual price $618, but after 50% discount, this is the discount price, huge discount. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. 450 centigrade industrial grade ultra high temperature detection, 6 color palettes. If you want to buy this product, please check video description.